Now, other mods. Oh, I love that when the sun glints on the crane. That's just brilliant, isn't it? Yum, yum, yum. Other mods. Again, I went for all the ones that I could afford and just went for the priority, really. So, let me just check out. Oh, that's just not too hot. That's okay. Don't want to burn my leg on it. I've only got shorts on. Yeah, the mods I did were all the ones I could afford, so it was just order of priority. And I had to get some forward pegs, highway pegs. And you can get cheaper ones. These are 200 quid with the Harley footrests. They were 200 quid, and that's a huge amount. I mean, it's some serious hardware, mind. Massive brackets, huge chromed Allen bolts, big thick lumps of presumably steel. But still, 200 quid is madness. But it is top job, and that's what it needed to be. I needed to get my legs stretched out as much as I can to save the knee and the back pain to some degree. And they work fine. They're very, very stiff. I expect they'll loosen up. But the 45 degree thing is a bit naff looking. You can see why, because you know, in a bump you want them to go upwards and out the way. So I was going to change them and put them vertical or follow the line of the exhaust, but I don't mind. It's not ugly enough to worry about, so I'll leave them as is. But they did sterling work today. After whatever it was, 3 hours, I can change from forward to mid position just to give my knees a rest, and that really is a must-have. I know, yeah, I've got to have that because it hurts so much. They felt a little further forward than the forward pegs, say on a super low, or not the super low, the 48. I don't know if they are actually any further forward, but they did feel it. But either way, they did the job. They're excellent, so I'm pleased with them. It has to be said, as Bud says and many have said, the forward pegs are most comfortable. In the future I may well change that to forward pegs, but for the moment I need to be able to change my leg position so my knee doesn't just kill me. So that was the most cost-effective solution. You can get DK Custom do a nice forward, not nice necessarily, but a useful forward highway set that attaches and comes out the front of the pipes here. So you get a bit of extra leg room, but they do look a bit ugly. They're not finished as well as the Harley ones, but they would do the job. So if you were to save a bit of money, well, probably half actually, I think they were just about 100 quid, so they would do the job. But these Harley ones, they're excellent, and they really are serious hardware, and they do the job. You can adjust them so they can come back to so you've got your adjusters down here. Can I see that? No, just about there. You've got 3 holes, and I wonder if there's not another 1, 2, 3. There might be another adjuster there. If there is, that would be great. I can put them further forward. I'm not sure what that is in there. It's not an Allen key, but they might be the mid position of the 3 available. If they are, I'll adjust them to go forward again. But they really, really helped, definitely. And they're much cheaper than getting forward sets. You can get cheap forward sets, but I don't know. There's cheap, and some of these stuff from China, it's just low quality.